Okay. Today topic importance of therapeutic relationship. Main whenever maintaining of the therapeutic relationship, that time what main importance. In case example and student and madam have good communication, mean that is a main importance. What importance? That whatever student have the any doubts and means any problem, any feelings, whatever they will share to the madams. Because of why? The students will think madams will solve to the problem like that. That's why they're asking is because of between madam and student have the good communication like that. So many important points also you will get to the both of you. That's why here also main importance of therapeutic relationship, why maintaining of the good relation to the patient and nurse. Now we will see first point. It is helpful in communicating of distressing thoughts and feelings of a client. This communication very helpful to the distressing and thoughts and feelings means of the client. Whatever client have the feelings, thoughts, whatever they have the inside of the feelings, they will explain to the nurses. That's why they explain to the nurses means because of good communication having of the between patient and nurse. That's why they will explain to the inside of the problems. And it facilitates communication process also. This communication main important facilitate providing of the communication process. Communication process means sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback. This and all process, channel process is communication process is there na? This also main useful to the in the communication time. That's why main in important the providing of the facility of communication process to the others. And next point, it is also important in assisting the client in solving the problems in their day-to-day life. Whatever they have the problems in day-to-day and in life continually, whoever having the problem, that time easily that nurses will problem solve to the particular patient problem. Because of why means this therapeutic relationship is there. That's why automatic the nurses automatic will helpful to the patient. They will solve of the problem. And it is useful in helping the clients to examine self-defeating behavior and test alternatives for the behavior. This main therapeutic communication useful helping to the clients. Means why useful means whatever you examination to the patient means you doing examination, physical examination, history collection, whatever you doing that time the patient will cooperate. Why cooperate means you have between nurse and patient have the good communication. That's why that communication main useful helping to the do the examination to the client and test alternative means you can changes of the test because of why means that behavior normal means you can't do the any changes of the test. Once abnormal behavior of the person not changing of the abnormal behavior means that time you can changes of the test content means whatever you doing of the test related of the behavior. Once normal behavior means you can stop of the tests. Like that main helpful to the communication to the in examination time. And it promotes self-care and independence in the client. That nurses in communication time, they will promote of the self-care. Self-care means, example, the patient will stay in the hospital. That time nurses will provide to the care. And in home means that family members will take care. But singly continually they can't stay of the family members with the patient na. That time you can promote of the self-care. How to you can take care of the selfly and independently you can explain to the patient about the self-care. In case what they're nicely listening because of you have the good communication. That's why whatever nurses explain to the patient will immediately they will listen. That time you can provide the whatever self-care to the about patient. This is the importance of therapeutic relationship. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next topic, communication skills. Main communication skills here, just example meaning I will tell. See, communication. What is meaning of communication?
Convey the message one person to another person.
Yeah, whatever feelings, ideas, thoughts, information, values, opinion, beliefs, anything You can share to the one person to another person. That is a meaning of communication. In communication skills means how to you can improve of the communication skill in the communication time. Now we will discuss definition of communication. See, communication is sending and receiving information between two or more people. See, communication means at least two members or more people is very important. Here, sending and receiving. Sending who? Sender. Whatever message sending to the receiver person, that is called as sender. Here, sending of the message and receiving of the receiver information. That is a between two or more people. Whoever sending message to the another person, that is a called as sender. Whoever receiving of the message, that person called as a receiver. That's a main two or more people's convey information, that is a called as communication. And the person sending the message is referred to as the sender. Whoever referrally and sending of message, that person is a sender. While the person receiving the information, whoever receiving of the information to sender, that person called as the receiver. Sending person called as sender and receiving person called as receiver. And next to the information conveyed can include whatever in communication, whatever information means what information you can convey to the one person to another person means you need facts, ideas, concepts, opinion. Please keep mute. Beliefs, attitudes, instructions, and even emotions. This and all you can convey, you can transfer to the one person to another person. That is a communication. Okay, understood definition of communication? Next, elements of communication. Main 6 elements of communication: source, message, channel, receiver, effect, feedback. Now we'll discuss first one, source. See, so please keep mute. Okay, source means source also one more name, one another name. Source another name is a sender. Means sender means whoever sending and typing and creating message to send to the receiver, that is a called a source or sender. Here first point, the source is the origin of the idea. Origin of the idea means something of the idea of the source. Means idea means how we'll send message, how we'll create, how we want to send to the symbols, like a laughing symbol, smile symbol, crying symbol, irritating symbol, headache symbol, like this symbol, something ideas having to the sender. And source is also famously known as a sender, like source also name getting like a famously name getting also known as sender. He who here means sender only. He may be an individually or group through ultimately it is the an individual who will act on behalf of the group. How he will send up the message to means he will send message individually, he will send, otherwise ultimately group wisely and behalfly means otherwise individual or group wisely he will send up the message to the receiver. And the sender conceives the ideas, prepare the message. Whatever the sender want to send to the message to the another person, he will ideas which message I want to send. Means whatever related any problem, they'll related ideas also he can send to the WhatsApp to the another person. That's why whatever ideas and prepare the message and select the channel. Means select the channel means like video or like videos. Channels means like a mass media, videos and interpersonal, like this you can select up the one channel also. Of distribution and decide who the receiver will be means you can distribute up the means you can transfer up the information whatever sender created, whatever ideas you can distribute and decide to the who the receiver will be. Means example, I want to send message to the one person. How I will whatever I have the ideas, first of all I prepare to the message to the particular person and I will select the channel which video I want to send to the another person and distributing and deciding to the particular receive for whom I want to send. Example, I want to send PPT for whom I want to send X group and Y group and Z group. I want to send to the receiver to the 3 groups. Like this also sender, first of all, they will create the ideas, prepare the message and select the channel and distributing and deciding of the particular I want to for whom want to send to the receiver. That is a source. Source only creating of the message only. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next message. Then how we will forward, how we will send to the message to the receiver. Here first point, it refers to the content that sender passes on to the receiver. Whatever sender creating and passing messages creating total, that you can that content you can send to the receiver. And it is the core of communication. Core means important. Core of communication. This is one of the important of communication. Here, messages can consist of symbols or words. Whatever you want to send to the messages, you can use of the symbols and words. Symbols means anybody getting of headache, they will keep up the headache symbol and laughing symbol, vomiting symbol, like a fear symbol, like a angry symbol. Like this, different symbols is there. Na? That sender what want to send to the symbols to the receiver, like that in message also they will send to the symbols and the words in message type. And transformation of an idea into a message by the sender is known as encoding. Whoever want to transfer of the whoever here sender only transference of the ideas message to the receiver are encoding. Encoding means encode means symbols and videos and whatever pictures ma. Encode means symbols, videos, pictures and whatever, that is a encoding. Whoever typing message and sending to the receiver, that time we can use of the encoding. And converting this message into some meaning by the receiver is known as a decoding. Encoding means symbols. Decoding means that related symbol that receiver receiving of the encoding, he will start of the decoding. Decoding means understanding that related encoding also he receiver also will give up the reply. In case anybody smiling, giving smile symbol, again he decoding understanding and he also give to the smile symbol. Like that encoding you can type and send to the receiver, that receiver also encoding the receiving and decoding understanding, he will also will send to the same related message reply. And the message should be clear so that the receiver understands it. Whatever the sender message sending to the encodingly and channelly and picturely, videos, total, whatever clearly sending to the receiver, that receiver clearly understanding of the message. That's why receiver will give reply to the another person. Once anybody typing message irrespectively, that time anybody will give reply.
No, ma'am.
No. Example, yours also, in case you just hi like that, you're keeping message means, madams, nobody will respond. Because of no respect, at least not mentioning ma'am. That time what happened? That receiver very irritatingly angry. That time no communication between student and madam. But otherwise, that student is a nicely respect giving and disciplinedly and hi ma'am, how are ma'am, like that give means that receiver also understanding that people receiver also will give a reply to the sender. That is a good communication in the message way also. And next to channel. Channel you select of the particular channel like a media. I want to send to the one PPT to the students. Means I will select of the my channel. Means particular channel I will select, I will create video, I will send to the your group. So that is a channel. Here first point, the channel is the medium through which a message travels from the sender to receiver. It is one of the medium, like a media, like videos and pictures. I total this and all message travel, like a message type, like a only sending to the sender to receiver. And the channel may be mass media, interpersonal, interpersonal communication. Mass media, folk media, puppets,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
and all videos,
Yes.
yeah, like the type of also in channel you can send to the another person. The people also will see of the videos, they will understanding of the related what message giving of the example tuberculosis ma. In tuberculosis day, that time some students doing of the skit, whoever doing of this skit, that some people's audience their observation na, means what happened, tuberculosis like this will get up means in skit also you are giving message to the society peoples also, The society peoples, whenever seeing of this skit, they will also receiving of the some points. Like that's also one of the channel. Here also you want to message send to the another person by mass media, by videos also you can travel the message to the another persons. Like example, television. And next, selection of channel depends on the message to be conveyed, availability of channel, cost and effectiveness of channel of distribution. In case, first of all, you can select of the channel and message conveyed to the another person. Available channel, whatever available to the channel. Now available, I want to take online class, what available app? Zoom app. Like this also, whatever you want to send, convey the message, first of all, whatever available of the channel, that channel you can select and effectively you can distribute of the particular message to the another person. This is a channel. Next, receiver. This receiver person, who receiver person means whoever receiving of the message to the sender, that is called as receiver. Here, first point, the receiver is the person for whom the message is intended. Intended means whoever sending to the message to the receiver person, that easily that receiver receiving of the message. And he is the most important aspect of the communication process. Yes or no? He receiver is one of the most important. Why means receiver not giving reply to the sender means that is not a communication. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, main communication means at least between two or more peoples. Na? Sender message sending to the receiver, but receiver not receiving message, not giving reply means that is not a communication to the between one or two peoples. So once that receiver giving reply to the sender means that is a good communication process in the very important to the between two peoples. And which is a two-way process and incomplete without the receiver. Without the receiver, you can't complete to the communication. With the receiver, once receiving message and giving reply means that is a complete of the communication. And any changes or neglect on the part of the receiver will hamper the entire process. Hamper the entire means whatever abnormal message means whatever they will reaction or changes of the facial expressions means any abnormal message and angry messages, irritating messages they will send early sending to the receiver means that receiver once receiving of the that negatively neglect messages, they will show up the reaction like this or the receiving of the messages. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next effect. Effect means that receiver wants message receiving, that is any irritating message means they will show up the reactions. Example I told you were sending up the hi to madams means madam will react angry react. Like this some affection whoever sending up the message, that message how they have showing up the reactions on the face. First point, effect is the change in behavior of the receiver and receiving the message from the sender. One sender message sending to the receiver, that receiver receiving to the message to the sender means that time they will show up the effect. Means they're sending good message means okay smiley and nicely they will chat also. Once that message very like negligence means negative message means they will show up the angry on the reactions to the on the face. And he may ignore the message or store or dispose even send a feedback to the source depending on how the message has effect on the receiver. Once this receiver ignore the message, receiver choice, that receiver choice what? He will ignore the message, otherwise he will store up the message, otherwise he dispose to the message again sender. Like this he have the chances. Once why they're ignoring of message means they're not like of the that message, that's why they're ignoring. And storing means this message okay useful means they will store, and dispose means the message useful to the all people, like disposing to the all. Like this you can give to the feedback to the sender means about the messenger how will you react, how will you affecting of the related message you can feedback give to the particular sender, that is a effect. And next last one, feedback. Totally that sender creating of the ideas, message and sending to the receiver. The message typing and sending to the receiver. The channel, first of all, you can select the channel, you can create the message, create the particular ideas, you can send to the receiver. Once receiver receiving, and they will show up the effectiveness. After they will tell to the feedback. Example here, feedback. See, feedback is the response the receiver gives to the sender after the element of effect. Whatever they're sending message that related to the message only, they will give to the feedback. Okay, good message are okay, good. I mean, so example program connecting any program. Example lamp lighting. In before lamp lighting, you total arranging of the but like a function type of means your ideas. Okay, like this doing is okay, good. Like this, like thinking ideas also you will get. That time you tell to the organization peoples, they will create, they will also organize of the function. That time the chairman or manager, they will give management, they will tell to the feedback. Okay, nice, today good function. Like that they will give feedback. Na? Like this also, whoever sending message to the receiver, they will show on the effectiveness and they will give up the feedback about the message. And feedback can be negative or positive depending on how the message is encoding and decoding by the sender and receiver respectively. How they're sending of the message encoding, like respectively they're sending or not message, that receiver will give up the response. Example, I will tell now I am taking class. I will ask feedback. How is my class? Like that. You are telling, you are immediately will give response. Ma'am, like this. Okay, ma'am, like this, not good. You are giving feedback, na? This is one of the like a feedback also. And feedback is most cases does not take place. Feedback some people not take properly. Me because of related message they will hurt means nobody will give the feedback. And it is an optional element of communication. This is one of the good optional of the element of communication process that may or may not happen. Sometimes this process may or may not happen to the about particular therapeutic communication. Okay, understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Any doubts, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
No doubts, huh?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. In exam time, you will get the doubts. Babados, Arijit, Antara. Hare Krishna Bera, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, good, good. Okay, please, you can reason. I want to take attendance.